Jesus and the Samaritan woman. Jesus sat by a well, tired from his journey. A Samaritan woman arrived to fetch water, and Jesus asked her for a drink. She was surprised, as Jews and Samaritans didn't usually interact. Jesus offered her living water, promising that whoever drank it would never thirst again. The woman was intrigued and asked for this water. Jesus revealed that he knew about her past, and she realized he was a prophet. They discussed worship, and Jesus told her that God seeks true worshipers who worship in spirit and truth. The woman left her jar and returned to her village, sharing her encounter with others. Many Samaritans believed in Jesus because of her testimony. They invited him to stay, and he spent 2 days teaching them. Many more believed, saying, "We know that this man truly is the Savior of the world."